Alright, it's that time again. Yay, Mecca. We've got Beauty Loop. Level 3. What is it? July 2026. What's in it? Ta-dan. Globally loved Mecca tested, handpicked it for you. You're about to unbox the beauty your routine has been missing until now. Okay, Majan. Our recipe for beauty discovery. Okay. Wasn't expecting it to be. First we take an icon, next a tried and true favorite we think everyone should experience, then add a few of our latest obsessions handpicked just for you. This time you'll find the SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray 30ml from Tower 28, this beauty brand that just gets sensitive skin. This hypochlorous acid mist is loved for its ability to rescue sensitized skin almost immediately. Use it to reduce the appearance of redness, soothe flare-ups, and help prevent breakouts on face and body. Now for the best part, trying it out along with everything else inside. When I was a kid and you talk about acids, I thought that would be a much more fun, dangerous thing in my life. And then, turns out, no. This acid mist is going to fix my skin, not burn it to a crisp. So, yeah. I've heard that people use this, like, at the gym. I don't go to the gym, but I will give it a go, and if I don't need it or want it, I'll give it to my mum because she's now a member of 2 gyms and will sometimes go to both gyms on the same day. So she's doing enough gym for both of us. Next! Oh, look at this. Balm Dia Bright Cream. Che Rosa 40 fragrance. Soothing AHAs and vitamin C. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. I guess that's a body cream, right? Like the bum cream, but just a different. Visibly brightens, smooths. Oh, visibly brightens, smooths roughness, and then there's other language I cannot read. Okay, pretty sure that's a body cream, I don't know. What's this? Oh no, more lip stuff. I don't need any more lip stuff because I haven't even opened some of the things I've got. Afterglow Lip Shine. Oh, it's a lip gloss. I really don't need more lip products, but okay. What color is it? Does it say Unbroken 285? Oh, okay, it's like sparkly. Sparkly pink. That's probably more mum than me. But, I don't know. I will think about it later. Next. By Terry. What are we? Colorless, oh, hyaluronic Hydra-Powder. I have no idea what that is. I'm going to have to look it up. I hope I didn't, like, get it everywhere. I don't know if that's, like, a setting powder, or if it's, like... I assume it's a setting powder, because I'm pretty sure by Terry, and I can't even fucking close the... There we go. Yeah, I don't know. I assume it kind of looks like a setting powder. 8 hyaluronic acid types, but it's like hydrating. I'm gonna have to look up what the heck that is. Patchology. Serve chilled on ice. Firming eye gels. Okay. Peptides, cloudberry oil, bakuchiol. Put Tide Puffy Eyes on ice with these cooling eye gels. At least this one tells me what it is and how to fucking use it. I guess they assume at level 3 that I should know what I'm doing, instead of just, like, spending more money than I should. Although in my defense, a lot of the time I'm buying people gifts, and it helps when you have girly girls in your life, because it's easier. Put Tide Puffy Eyes on ice with these cooling eye gels. They're a powerful refreshment for under eye bags, and fine lines. I don't really have that much problem. Pro tip for the over-the-top chill seekers, place these eye gels in the fridge for next level cooling. I don't think I will do that. Directions, place a pair of gels onto clean, dry under-eye area for 5 minutes or longer if desired. Discard after use and massage remaining serum into skin. Okay, at least this one told me what I'm supposed to do with it. These other things... Okay, I will use this because it's always good to have, like, a body balm. This one no idea what I'm supposed to do with it, and I'm quite happy with the, what I use Laura Mercier, I don't know how you pronounce anything. I use that setting powder, so if that is also a setting powder, I guess I could try it, but I don't even do my makeup that often, so, like, the Laura Mercier one is gonna last me basically forever, or until it goes off, but, you know, you can kind of keep going. The lip gloss, I have so many different lip products, and really my go-to is still the basic Nivea. Get it on sale, half price, $2.50. Don't ever buy this at $5. It always goes to $2.50 at some point, and then stock up. And that's the main thing I use. And then, like, I need to stop buying this shit. And then this, I don't know, I will give it a go. But if I don't use it, Mum can use it. Same this, if I don't use it, Mum can use it. This one, not sure. If I don't use it, I could give it to Mum if she does some makeup. She goes out more than I do, easily. Or I could give it to Kit, I suppose. So this one for me, this box for me was not so good for me because I don't really have problems with this. I don't really need the body creams. I'm not that sold on the whole soul thing. You know, I know that the younger kids like it. I just don't really go for trends. And yeah, I don't know. I would have liked a fragrance. I think some of the other level 3 boxes got fragrance, and I just gonna, you know, stuff that other people like, not so much me. But on the other hand, I did buy more fragrances recently, and I really need to stop. I need to, like, there's my fragrance corner, and you can see it's like coming all the way out. I need to rearrange it and try and reorganize it because it's getting too much. So maybe it's a good thing I didn't get more fragrance, and I should use up the things that I have and not complain. Anyway, so that's my level 3 beauty loop box. I'm gonna go rather than waste any more of your time. I know that wearing this red shirt kind of makes it look like I've been on a green screen and then just, like, the carpet comes through me, but this is actually a red shirt. It just, and then with my red hair, it does my head in. There's too much red now. I need to, like, that's the problem with, I mean, I chose this carpet when I was a kid, and the blue walls and the black curtain. Yeah, I think I was a kid. Anyway, I mean, am I not just an adult kid at this point? It's not like I'm functioning in society. I feel like I need to do my hair a bit more crazy to make this work. Bye!